the most important things that you need to do is start looking for clients on LinkedIn. Let me show you how it's done.
Recording in progress.
First of all, hello everybody. I'm Joe Applebaum, CEO of... Hang on a second. Do I have Allison joining me here now? I'm Joe Applebaum, CEO of Evie AI, and I'm excited to show you a couple cool things. Hi, Allison.
Hey, Joe. How are you?
Amazing. Fantastic. Were we going to meet now or were we going to meet in like... Let me look at my calendar.
Wasn't it 11:30? I don't know. You sent me the invite.
Okay, whenever I sent you the invite. Okay. Yeah, I'm cool with whatever. I thought I sent you 12, but 11:30 is fine. There was another guy that I sent an invite for whatever. If they join, then I'll just talk to you both. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay. It was really nice to meet you. Appreciate you very much. I wanted to show you how Evie AI works. So I'm just gonna share my screen if you don't mind.
Sure, and I'm gonna get my glasses, and I'm looking for my phone. You know, you got back here for a little bit.
Oh, that's totally cool. So this is your profile on LinkedIn.
Oh, hold on a second. Let me get my eyes.
Are you driving?
No, I'm parked.
Okay, good.
Yeah. All right. That's my profile.
This is your profile on LinkedIn. So what I'm going to do is, on the side of LinkedIn, I'm going to open up something called an extension.
Okay.
You may have not heard of this before, but Google has the ability to add software to the side of your browser called the Google Chrome extension.
I am familiar with that.
Okay. And the Google Chrome extension allows me to be able to simply do things as it relates to this profile. So, for example, if I want to be able to save this profile into Evie AI, I can save it, and then I can write the list. You know, let's say if we had a conversation, I could say conversation and put you into conversation list. We met an owl, so I have owl over here. You see that?
Let me see.
It's a little small. It's a little small. It says owl. If I want to research you online, I can click on this Perplexity thing here or any of these AI research tools, and it's going to start telling me everything about you. So the reason I was able to have such a good conversation with you yesterday, when we spoke, is because I was able to pull all this information. I had all the stuff front and center. Remember I told you your address and your phone number and everything about you?
Yeah.
In just seconds, I was able to pull all the information. I was able to see, oh, you're a certified John Maxwell coach. You're a public speaker. You're a disc. Now, a lot of this stuff might be available somewhere on your LinkedIn, but I would have to dig and try to figure all this out.
Right.
The artificial intelligence was able to kind of tell me everything I need to do in order to kind of have a conversation with you in a meaningful way. So whenever you're speaking to somebody on Owl or anywhere else, it's really important for you to use these types of tools to help you be able to do it. Now, the other thing that I can do with this is I can click Facebook. I'll find you on Facebook. I can click Instagram, Google, YouTube, TikTok, X. I can find you on any of the platforms with the click of a button. I could also take notes about our conversation here. So I can add a note. We had a great conversation over Zoom. We first met on Owl, and now we're talking here on Zoom and having a great time getting to know each other. So now I press log note, and I just logged it, and I told the AI that what we just did. So it kind of adds context to who we are, so it kind of really builds that. The other thing is if I want to kind of summarize all your information directly from LinkedIn, it'll open up your LinkedIn. If your birthday was here, it would grab your birthday, your email, all your websites. It would take everything from here and then kind of save it into the side here so that I have access to it from my phone and anywhere else, all organized. The other thing it would do is if I wanted to introduce you to people in my network, it would write a full-on introduction for me that I could use for the future.
Wow.
Right? And then it would save all the resources here and all the information that it finds about you. The other thing I can do with this little piece of technology is that I can click one button and it loads up every post you've ever written. And if I wanted to comment on these posts, then I can use a keyboard shortcut to write the comment, and in seconds I have a thoughtful comment related to your post, and I can choose if I want to post it or not. And if I want to change what the comment looks like, I can go into here, I can refine my output and click on. The goal would be to establish expertise. The tone would be, I have many different tones I can choose. So say I'll choose motivational, and then the persona, I have many personas. I'm going to choose the Joe Applebaum, CEO of Ajax Union, which is my marketing agency. I'll choose that one. And then I'll go ahead and say, okay, well, rewrite the comment, and now rewrote the comment with this goal, with this tone, and with this persona. I can also choose any language, and I could also choose any form of AI. So if I want to use Claude, Gemini, Grok, ChatGPT, whatever, I could use it here. And it uses, you don't even have to have an account with any of these companies. It just does it. And if I want to speak into the technology, I could use a microphone and say, it was really great talking to you, Allison. I appreciate our conversation, and I'm looking forward to working with you. And if I want, I can send this to you as a message. So I open up the little message box, and I press the insert, and that thing that I just spoke goes into as a message. And now I just sent you a message that I spoke. I didn't have to type any of it. Wow. So this saves you a lot of time. And we do a lot more, which is, we have a massive community with over 1,200 people that are active on LinkedIn. We all support each other, help each other, connect with each other. And our goal, yeah, and that's kind of like the idea. The idea is just getting to know people, building relationships. And you see this person wants to join the community. I make sure she's using LinkedIn. She's paying for it. I see that she's active. She posted something just 2 days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and welcome her into the community because she wants to be active on LinkedIn. And so that's the idea. We're always doing stuff and exciting and so on and so forth. The price of the tool is very affordable. It's just, $2,400 a year. But right now we have a special called the bundle. So if you get the bundle where we bundle in $10,000 worth of LinkedIn training, because it seems like you might benefit from LinkedIn training. So we have a LinkedIn training program, which is typically $10,000 plus our $2,400 software. We're giving it all away for less than $1,000 a year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we have a special going on right now, and I can send you the link. If this is something that you want to claim this deal, you can. But again, you get unlimited AI agents, both for people that you're connected to and people that you're not connected to. It'll also write up all your content for you, so you don't have to write any content anymore in your voice. It'll help you with comments, with messages, and we'll also download all your connections and put them into a dashboard. And the beauty is with this, anyone that you refer to us, you get 20% for 3 years. So so if they pay $2,400 a year, you'll make your money back by just referring 2 people, and you'll make it every year. So that's the, if you're using it yourself and you're getting benefit, everyone on the 1.2 billion people on LinkedIn are all prospective referral partners for you.
Right.
So that's what I'm doing. If you want to see some of our customers and who they are, I tagged a bunch of them here. 8 hours ago, I tagged a bunch of these people over here, and I made a little video here.
How do I sign up to the Evie AI community, and where can I see the events? Evie AI hosts one of the most popular LinkedIn communities in the world called AI for LinkedIn Community.
Okay, and I put up this little video here, and then as you can see, a lot of our clients started commenting on it because we have a real community of real people that kind of support each other, and they actually want to comment, and they want to help each other out, and they want to connect, and you can see what people are saying. It's nothing but a pleasure to be part of the community. Here's to our ongoing success. So happy to be part of our community, blah, blah, blah. Thank you for the shout out. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to growing the network and the community. So, if I want to reply to him, I don't have to think about what to say in the reply. The AI will just write it for me.
Nice.
So it used to be that I would have to write a whole reply. Now I don't have to do that anymore. I could still talk to you on the phone, pay attention to our conversation while the artificial intelligence draft replies, and then I could just simply say, yes, I want to reply, or no, this doesn't make sense, and I can change the goal, the tone, and the persona. Pretty cool, right?
Love it.
And that's the idea. We also have like 99 different hacks. We have separate courses you can get as well, but this is called the bundle. I'm going to stop sharing my screen so you can see me and we can answer questions if you have any questions about it.
You can specifically show me the bundle and explain it, because I'm going to take a look at it as well.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be happy to.
Outside of this,
100%. Yeah. So let me play a quick video for you.
Okay.
Let me see if I could find. I downloaded a video that somebody just made for me here. The affiliate program. Let's see where the bundle video is. I think I thought I downloaded it. Maybe I didn't download it. Let me quickly get it. I did make. I'm preparing tutorials for every little thing that I do. So let me just click on this. And let me open up this. Let me download it right over here. Download anyway. Okay, so I'm downloading the video. Okay, so now the video is downloaded. Let's play it.
What does the Evie AI bundle include? The Evie AI bundle packs massive value for anyone serious about content, networking, and growth. Normally, Evie AI alone costs over $2,400 a year, giving you the power to write posts, comments, and messages, save thousands of profiles, and even do AI research with 7 powerful agents. Plus, you get access to a community of over 1,000 engaged LinkedIn users. But with the bundle, you get much more. You'll unlock strategy and training, including the Evergreen Networking System, a $10,000 training program with 9 modules, frameworks, checklists, and cheat sheets. You'll also get a special connections dashboard, an exclusive community with extra tools and resources, and a monthly live strategy call with an expert. All training sessions are recorded, so you'll never miss a thing. On top of that, you'll gain access to the LinkedIn Influencer Summit, unlimited AI model access, and even AI-powered summaries of your connections and prospects in seconds. And the best part? The entire bundle is only $984 for the year. That's just only like $2.70 every day for a year. Now you just took your great first step toward mastering LinkedIn, scaling your network, and building influence with the Evie AI bundle.
Did you like that?
Yes, nice.
That was a good video. There's a few changes I need to make to it, so I'm gonna have to let them know that I want to make some changes. But for the most part, that's that's the whole thing.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I'm gonna sit and think about it.
Yeah, no problem.
It's not thinking about in the sense of if I want it. Obviously, I want it. I just need to go through all the questions because
Yeah.
I don't want them to say, "Oh, you did this," and
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, take your time. Take your time and think about it. And then as you're going through your day, you might find people already in your life that need it.
Mm-hmm.
So just let them know that I exist, and I'll just have a conversation with them. And then if they turn into customers, you might as well. I mean, you're speaking to people on Owl anyway, right?
Yes.
So that's.
And I definitely share because it's definitely something I think others will find value in as well. I just need to verify with our IT people because yes, it's my personal LinkedIn from my previous business that I transformed into New York Lives, but they're very, very regulated.
Yeah.
So, and they're very AI forward because we have our Chat GPT Enterprise.
Oh, that's cool. But keep in mind this. I don't expect you to use all our features like posting and whatever. You might just use the AI research feature and organizing your contacts.
I like the posting part. I like that part.
The problem is with that, you have to get it approved by them, whatever. So you got to be careful when you're posting. But the stuff you do behind the scenes, you don't need approval from them. Like if you're doing research on each person and building relationships offline without publicly sharing anything, then using Evie AI could be really, really helpful for that.
Oh, 100%.
Plus, here's something else that I didn't write, that I didn't share in that video. It's like, well, I'll give you access to meet with 140 of our clients.
Okay, awesome. Wonderful.
And also, I'll give you a list of all my connections. I have 30,000 connections.
Oh,
and you can go through it and connect with them as well and use my name.
Oh, nice. I love that. Or you could do a personal introduction instead. Just say, here.
Yeah, I mean,
just like I'm doing.
If you want to just use my name, you can. Okay. If I had to make an introduction to every single person in my 23,000,
everyone, just general, just a general.
Yeah, we have a community. You can introduce yourself in the community. You can come to our events. I'm happy to. Once you become a customer, I always introduce our new customers to our network. Okay. And so you'll definitely be introduced to our people. You'll get to know each other, and then we meet every day. So like the people in the community. Yeah, exactly. We meet every day, so you can come to any event. We have multiple events every day. You'll have a whole network of people you never had before, just like that. And you're paying less than half the price for the software.
I love it. And I love specific communities. This is a lot of value, Joe.
Thank you.
I appreciate you taking the time to meet with me. I love what you've showed me already. I will definitely be sharing, and I will be going on vacay on Saturday, and I will be back in 10 days.
Okay.
So when I get back is when I will contact you to discuss pushing the button.
Okay. Okay. Excellent.
Okay.
Yeah. When you coming back? We can even like pencil something in to do a quick check-in.
Sure. I am back the 22nd. So let's do something at the end of the month so I can, settle the dust when I get back.
Do you want to talk at 10 a.m. on the 29th, Monday the 29th, or you prefer to do 10 a.m. on Friday?
Monday and Wednesdays are bad.
You want to do Friday the 26th at 10 a.m.?
No, because that's the first week I get back.
Do you want to do Tuesday the 30th at 9 a.m. Eastern?
Okay, sorry. Mondays and Wednesdays I have standing meetings, and Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 I have meetings.
Do you want to do 10 a.m.? You want to do 10 a.m.? Do you want to do 11 a.m. on Thursday or on Tuesday? Do you want to do or 12? You want to do 12 p.m. Eastern on Tuesday the 30th?
Hold on, let me check and see. I'm checking my calendar.
Yeah. I can send you an invite for 12 p.m. Tuesday the 30th for us to get together.
I have an appointment that ends at 1 on that day.
Yeah, but we can do 20 minutes. We don't have to do a whole hour.
I know. I have an appointment that is from 12 to 1 that day.
Oh, you already have an appointment from 12 to 1. Let me look at my calendar, what's going on at 1 on that day. I can't meet at 1. I have a webinar at 1 that I'm doing, but I could do 2:30.
I have a 2 to 3.
Could you do 3?
3:15 is better because sometimes that particular
that makes sense. Yeah, let's do 3:15.
Yeah, that type of meeting goes over sometimes.
Okay, I sent you a calendar invite for 3:15 to your email, the same one that you accepted.
Yes, perfect. It hasn't shown up yet, but I'll accept it as soon.
Okay,
that's great.
Okay, excellent. Right. Well, I appreciate you very much. Looking forward to chatting more and getting to know you more. And if you have any questions in the meantime, I'd be happy to answer them.
Okay, sounds like a plan. Oh, I'm accepting now. All right. Okay, Joe.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we'll be in touch. All the best. Take care. Safe drive.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, bye. And that was an opportunity right there. Let's see what people are saying here. Oh, it looks like, look at Daryl. Daryl just commented on something. What did he comment on? I'm going to say, how are you? Let's see what he commented on. Go to my recent post. By the way, if you guys are watching this live right now, go ahead and give it a like. I'm going to go ahead and like my own post. Oh, I want your list. Let's hop on Zoom. Let's see if Daryl wants to hop on Zoom. They don't regulate if you post stories from your life, and they don't regulate if you weren't work with. Okay, let me see if Daryl wants to chat now live. Do you want to join me on Zoom? Okay, let's see if he does that. Steve says, Evia is not showing up when I comment or DM. Guest speaker at the Accelerator Group 2026. For 5 years, I've hosted a free monthly virtual that is safe, no sales place. I've hosted speakers like Ken Turner, Kenneth Lang, Brenda Miller. Yes. Okay, Joe, we're hosting an event. Thank you. Thank you. talk. All right, let's see if... Okay, what I'm also going to do is I'm making a Loom video now for Steve. So if I can't get through to somebody, I just make them a Loom video. Hi, Steve. This is Joe Apfelbaum. I want to answer your question. You said Evie AI is not showing up when I comment or DM. So Evie AI, the new version of Evie AI, shows up here on the side as a side panel. And when you click on content on the side, we know, we have context and we know what you're doing. So for example, if you want to write a message, I can go in here, say something like, let me know if you want me to send you a video. I guess I'll just make one. Okay, so I press the up arrow here and I press send, and you see the way I sent it from here. If I want to leave a comment on LinkedIn, I could just go into here, click here, and then have Evie AI just write the comment by hitting the generate button. You see that? I can choose my goal, my tone, my persona. Let's say, for example, this. And then I can go ahead and leave a comment just like this, hit generate, and it'll generate a thoughtful comment. You see that? I just generated a thoughtful comment. I want to generate another comment. I go in here, press the comment. When I go into the comment, it says context updated. Then I hit generate. It knows I want to write a comment. And I press insert, just like that. You see? And if I want to change my goal tone, my persona, I do it here. All right? Let me know if that makes any sense. All right, let's just see. I just sent him a Loom video. How it works. All right, let's see. This is a person who just liked a post. All right, let's go ahead and call some people now. I'm going to show you how I call some people. I'm going to go here. I'm going to open up my CRM. And let's see, I'm going to click on conversation, see if anybody texted me back. Doesn't look like anybody texted me back. I click on contacts. Here are some people that literally just came in 11:29, so that was just a few minutes ago. I can call this person by clicking on the call number here, just like that. And it's going to start calling. Now I can find this person on LinkedIn, right click. Look, his email address is right here. You can download his V-card.
Hi, I'm not here right now. Leave a message.
Hi, this is Joe Apfelbaum, CEO of Evie AI. This message is for Joe Crowley. Facebook told me that you were interested in learning more about our LinkedIn training. If you can call my cell, 917-865-7631, I would be grateful. Looking forward to chatting with you, Joe. Talk soon. Happy Sunday. All right, let's just see. Make me a HTML and JavaScript landing page that turns this VCF into a card that lets me copy each of the elements in it and save it to local memory. I drag the card in and it shows it to me in a inline CSS. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and vibe code this. And I'm also going to do this with Gemini because Gemini is faster. Let's see what it does. And this is how I do it. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click here. VCF viewer.html. I'm going to go to Gemini, grab, oh, Gemini is doing it. Okay, Gemini has it. I'm going to press code. I'm going to press copy code. I'm going to paste this here, save, right click, reveal in Explorer, VCF viewer. Where is it? Why is it not here? Oh, maybe I have to do F5. VCF viewer. Let's see what it does. Here we go. All right, let's see what that looks like. Wow. Copy each thing. Edit. Oh, wow. Address. URL. Nice. Where's his LinkedIn? I got his email here. This is really cool. That is really cool. Let me search for him on LinkedIn. Here he is. Is this him? No. Is he even on LinkedIn? I don't even know if he's on LinkedIn. Let me call him again. I'm going to use Evie AI to send him a thing saying, what's your LinkedIn?
Hi, I'm not here right now. Leave a message.
Okay, I'm not going to bother him again. Okay, let's go to the next person. This person is Ted Burner. Let's call him Ted Burner. We're also going to Google Ted Burner.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Hello, this is Joe Apfelbaum calling for Ted Burner. My number is 917-865-7631. I was notified that you were interested in our 99 LinkedIn hacks from Facebook. Looking forward to chatting with you. Call me if you can. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send him a text message. And then I'm going to ask him for his LinkedIn URL. Okay, see what I'm doing here? Okay, now I'm going to go to the next one. Jason Douglas. Let's give him a call. All right, let's go.
We could not complete your call. Please try again.
All right, let's see if we can find him. Oh, look at that. Look up Denton's. Wow, what is, oh, they're a law practice. He's a lawyer. Okay, I couldn't find him there. Interesting. So this didn't work, you see? That didn't work. I wonder why it didn't work. That did not work. Why? Now I'm going to ask it to learn something from this. I'm going to go here, copy. What can you learn from this style. How can you make it better? I could also have Claude do it. It's fantastic design. The code you share is a significant step up from the previous version. There's a lot to learn from this approach. First of all, robust JavaScript login, superior user experience, how to make it better. I've taken your excellent code and refactored it to more inline CSS into a style confirm alert. Functions with a custom model. Here's the updated file. So now it's taking what ChatGPT did and making it even better. Now I'm going to ask Claude to do the same thing. I'm going to ask Claude to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Claude, paste this in here, grab this, drop it in here, hit go, and let's see Claude do its magic. Now we finished this. I'm going to hit share, copy code, paste the code into here, Control F, Control V, Control S. Let's refresh this. Let's drag this into here. Oh, look at that. Undefined, undefined. Copy, copy, delete, delete. Address, 30 Streets region. Oh, nice. Download, save to local, save to local. Ooh, open. Delete. Copy all fields, copy as VCF, download as VCF, delete. Ooh, I like it. I like this a lot. Why does it say undefined, undefined? Add a phone number. Where's his email address? His email address was in there and it's not here. Okay, the email address is in there, but it's not showing up. The email was in there, but it's not showing. Please add the raw VCF to show to in a monitor window so we can see the diagnostics, etc., and know what is missing. Also, it says undefined, etc. I'm going to take a screenshot of it where it says undefined. Also, add a button that allows me to do a Google search for his name and company name with a click, and also a LinkedIn search with a click to search, let's see, people. All right. Boom. This is nice. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. I'm going to download the HTML and I'm going to say learn from this. Also, Claude made a nicer design. Learn from what Claude did. Let's see what happens. Oh my God, I love it. So you see you have ChatGPT working on it. You have Gemini working on it. You have Claude working on it. Everybody's working on it at the same time. But Google Gemini is the one that kind of takes everything else and kind of puts it all together. You know what I mean? Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. I cannot be happier to have all these agents working together to help me be able to build something beautiful. Now we're going to go into Canva. And what is this called? What do they call it? VCF Card Manager. I like that. We're going to call it a VCF Card Manager. We're going to go into here. We're going to make a design for it here. We're going to call this the VCF Card Manager. Okay. View VCF cards, edit them, and I like that. Okay, now we're going to hit share, download. We're only going to download this one here. And then we're going to play with it. We're going to play with it. All right, let's see. We can close this. We can close this. We have the design. All right, we're going to copy all this code. We're going to put it into here. Save it. And now we're going to check it out and see what this looks like. Refresh. Refresh. All right, let's see. What? Are you serious? Are you serious? Give me trash? No, this is trash and nothing works. Let's see. Analysis. Here's an updated thing. Let's try this again. Copy contents. Let's go in here. Control A, Control V, Control S. Refresh. Grab this. Garbage. Show diagnostics. Okay, that doesn't work well. The card doesn't get generated. The card is not getting generated. I also like the Claude design better. All right, let's just see what Claudes look like. So much better. So much better. Okay, I see the issue. The card is being generated because you provided code that was a bug to prevent it from correctly rendering. I fixed this file. Okay. Copy. Are you blaming it on me? All right, let's see. Refresh. Okay. Google search, LinkedIn search. City, state, zip. Why does it say undefined still? Show diagnostics. Does it have his email here? The diagnostics. Do you see an email? Yeah, email. Cool. But the email doesn't show up in the card. Email's not showing up in the card. All right, let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's see, share, copy code. Let's see what we got now. Control A, Control V, Control S. Go back here, refresh this puppy. Go down, take this. Do we have we have an email? I still don't have an email. Are you flipping kidding me? I still don't have an email. Here I have the email. Not showing up. Also design. Let's see what it does. All right, let's see what it does. Copy contents. Control A, Control V, Control S. Refresh this puppy here. Oh, now we got a normal design. Let's see. Okay. Show diagnostics. Much better. Now we got the email, the work. Okay, now we're missing the address. Okay, good. Google search. Oh my God, I love this. Save. Open. Okay. Paste data. Allow. Yeah. Now the address is not showing up. Make sure it's looking for every possible thing that might go into the V. Okay. I pinpointed the issue. The address is showing up because the VCF facing function wasn't handling specific format for address field. This is correct. I've also implemented a request to make it more flexible. Now you can paste data from your CRM. The Apple new card includes blank fields. Common attribute also made a few improvements. Dynamic field addition, smarter pasting, improved UX. Here's the updated index.html file. Oh, baby. You see, so it's not smart enough to know that it's not doing all this stuff the way I want it to do it. You know what I mean? So I have to kind of like force its hand a little bit. So that's kind of like the thought process behind like why developers are not going to lose their job anytime soon, because I still have to kind of like argue with it, you know? Control S. Let's see, refresh this here. All right, let's go ahead and drag this in. Name, organization, title. Okay, now we have everything. Cell phone, email, website, address. Oh, I love this. LinkedIn. He doesn't have a LinkedIn. I like this. If I want to save it, I hit save. Kind of saves it here. Let's see if I can download a VCF from somewhere else. Rupak. Gupta. I'm going to try to save his PDF from his business card file. Let's see, download. Save to contacts. All right, let's just see if it does it now. I'm going to go here and grab Rupak stuff. Rupak, MTab, title, cell phone. Ooh, it didn't pick up his cell phone. Let's look at the diagnostics. Did it get his cell? I don't know what's in here. It's a lot of garbage. I don't know what all that is, but let's see. Cell. Okay, we got the email. Oh, we got two emails. We got a mobile phone. We got the address. We got his website. His website's here. Oh, and we even have a photo. Ooh, I like it. All right, so let's tell it to make it better now. So we're going to go here. We're going to say this one. This card has a photo and a mobile number and more that is not getting picked up. Let's see. Let me do a screenshot for Claude. Now for Gemini. Also, add a thing that says new VCF, new card, and when I click, it allows me to create my own card with info myself. You're absolutely right. It looks like the card is missing photo, mobile phone number. I've examined the Gupta VCF you filed. The issue is it isn't a VCF version 03. It's a different format and fields compared to version 2.1 file has been using for testing. I've hands of version 3, specifically tell mobile phono. I've also included a new card feature you requested for VCF 3.0 compatibility, photo, multiple email addresses, new card functionality, improved user experience. Okay, I love this. Oh my God, we're taking this to a whole new level, baby. We're taking this app to a whole new level. Let me just see if anybody's messaging me here on LinkedIn. We're taking this app to a whole new level. Let me leave a comment on this. Okay. We're taking this app to a whole new level. Alex Ramosi, Barry. All right, cool. Guys, if you're watching me live right now and you're enjoying this, just tell me, Joe, I'm enjoying this. This is cool. If you're watching the replay, say, I'm watching the replay and this is phenomenal what you're doing. I'd love to learn how to do this. And by the way, you can go to, we have an AI automation community where you can learn how to do this. I'm available in the process of getting clients. I joined late. What website are you on? Send me a message privately and I'll tell you. What website am I on? What do you mean? I'm trying to get V cards. That's what I'm doing. And then I just thought of an idea. Find V cards online. Hang on a second. Let me test this out before. I'm going to close this because they suck. This is good. Copy contents. Oh my God. I'm going to create LinkedIn profile to V card maker. Oh my God. Yo, V card maker. I ain't a faker. I ain't a waker and a baker. I ain't a taker. Let me show you how to be a V card maker. New card. Ooh, I like that. New card. Paste data. Let me just see. Let me grab the Rupak card. Oh, yeah, baby. So we got first name, organization, title, mobile, work, email. There's only one email, but there were two emails. Address. I love that he has a photo there. It only shows one email, though. Let me hit save. Save. Save function doesn't work. Show. Did it show two emails? Yeah. Email other. Still doesn't show two emails. Let me refresh this puppy. Still doesn't show two emails. And save doesn't work. Still doesn't show two emails, and also the save stopped working. It should auto save when I drag in a card. Thanks. All right, let's just see. Current code not designed to display multiple emails. The bug prevented drag and drop action from saving the card's local memory. Multiple emails. Allow saving. The save context is now updated. Instantly reflect the new card added. Okay. Okay. The function is updated automatically to save the card as well. All right, let's just see. Let's go to Popple. Let's go to my Popple. Let's log in. Let's log in. Let's go to my leads. Or my leads. Contacts. Let's get this card and save as contact. Okay, so now I have this guy here. Let me grab, where's Gemini? Gemini. Copy contents. All right, let's just see. 706. Refresh this puppy here. Let me drag Rupak's info here. Should auto save it. Did not auto save it, but let's see if it has multiple. Email 1, email 2, mobile phone number. Okay. Let me go mobile. Save. What? It didn't save it. Delete. Let me go here, drop in Rupak. Save. Save doesn't work still. Let me drop in Rito. A refresh. Rito mobile doesn't work. Info email didn't load. Okay. Not working right now. Does not autosave. Also, phone is not going into the phone place. Also, when I drag this new VCF, it doesn't. not work if the old VCF is open. Also, there is no okay. Fixed autosave, corrected phone number parsing, resolved drag and drop issues, added edit functionality for saved cars, also improved the underlying code to make it more maintainable. To prevent similar issues from happening in the future, the parsing and rendering features are now more flexible and dynamic to handle various VCF formats. All right, let's see. Share, copy contents, pop it in here, Control A, Control V, Control S, refresh the page. All right, let's drag some cards in. Okay, so we got Rito, we got Rupak. It should auto save it, but I'm going to save it and see what happens. Refresh, still doesn't auto save. Still doesn't auto save. Let's see, delete, contact deleted, resave. All right, let's see. Joseph Crowley, saved. Rito, saved. Rupak, did not save. Okay. The Joe Crowley and Rito saved. Open. I can't add anything to the card. Okay. When I open a card, I cannot add more things to it, like LinkedIn, email, address, cell, etc. Also, when I open the Rito card, when I drag in but the let's see. Dynamic Field Addition. Saving large VCF files. Aha. That's the problem. The problem is it can't save a photo because it's too big for local memory. That's cool. Copy contents. Control V. Save. All right, let's see if that worked. Refresh. Let me drop Rupak in. Oh, it saved it this time. If I want to add additional fields, add a field. Name of the field. Phone. Okay. Can you make it not be a flippin' alert? The hell's wrong with you? Delete. Show. Can you make it not be an alert box? The heck is wrong with you? Why is everything an alert box, Alfie? Let's look at John. Save as contact. Let's see what it does. John. Okay. Let's look at this. Let's look what we have here. We have John, Dancor CEO. Dancor CEO. We got email. Email not loading. Email not loading. Email not loading. For John, email does not load in the viewer, even though it shows in the diagnostics. Also, don't ask me via alert what field I want to add. Do it inline. alert. All right. All right. Let's see what it does. All right, here we go. Share, copy code contents, Control A, Control V, Control S. Refresh this puppy. Let's drop in John. Oh, let's delete John. Let's drop in John. Email still not. Oh, email works. Shkoyach, Reb Noyach. If I want to Google search him. Yes, we found him. Let's see if we can drop this into the VCF card holder. Oop. Save. If he's already saved and I save it again, why are you saving it again? Edit. Edit. Oh. If I edit it and I save it, it shouldn't create another card. Let me delete all of them and see what happens. All right, let's see. Joseph Crowley. We got work phone. That's fine. We got Rito. Voice phone. Fine. We got Rupak. MTAP mobile website. Rupak email 1, email 2. Good. We got Rupak Rito. John Sned. And let's see. John Sned. Okay. Twice. When I edit John's card, you click edit, it saves. The application wasn't correctly tracking the unique ID, so it created a new entry instead of updating the existing one. Corrected. Save functionality now checks for the existing ID before adding a new one. When you open the card, save contacts, the ID is correctly assigned to current contact. Email parsing fixed. I've adjusted to handle the email internet format more robustly. The email address is now correctly populated in the card. Okay. How many times did I have to go back and forth and argue with this puppy in order to get it right? But at least I got it right. Copy. Let's just see if we get it right. Control A, Control V, Control S. All right, let's just see. Let's see where it is. This one right here. Refresh. Let's see. Edit. We're going to add this guy's LinkedIn from here. Oh, let's add this one here. Let's add it to Rupak. Rupak. LinkedIn. I'm going to edit this. Save. Let's see. Rupak. Oh, look at that. I edited his LinkedIn and it worked. Let's look at John Snow. John Sned. We're going to do a LinkedIn search. Pop it open. Copy. Paste it in here. Add a field. Ooh, LinkedIn. Save. Aha! We did it. So now Rupak, John. We edited it and it didn't add the LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Save. Save. I go here. Okay, it's not saving. you click edit, the application wasn't correctly tracking the unique card ID, so a new entry instead of updating the existing one. Corrected functionality, email parsing. Oy vey. Oy vey. I thought we'd be able to get past this. Let's see, Robert. Ooh, Robert has a lot of info here. Let's see if it picks up all this info. Save as card. Let's see who else we have here. Ari Friedman. Save card. Not found. What kind of BS is that? Ari Friedman. Save as contact. Okay, good. Let's see if Gemini fixed all the problems. Share, copy contents. Save. BCF card manager. Edit. Let's find John. Control C. Add a LinkedIn field. Save. Contact saved. Okay, now let's do root back. LinkedIn is not there. Son of a gun. Should I give up? Contact save, it says. Edit. Edit. It says contact save, but it's not editing. It's not saving the contact details. Let's see. Add a field. LinkedIn. Save. It's not saving it. All right, let's just see what it does also for this one here. Robert Wallach. There was a lot more info here. That's all I got? I thought there was a ton of info. All right, well, maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Ari Fierman. Ivy Tutor. Founder. I got the email, but it's not showing up. Oh, it is showing up. It's right here. Okay. Let's see. Rito, Ari, Robert Wallach. It's so weird that Robert Wallach didn't. All he had was his phone number here and his email. Adjunct professor. Okay. Yeah, it's still not saving. When I press edit card from the saved cards and I try to add LinkedIn. Oh, let me try to create a new one. New card. Okay. Add a field, email. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Then I know you did. You already saved the pop-up alert. Okay, so what I need to do is I'm gonna have to start a new Gemini window and start from scratch. Okay, I'm gonna copy the code and then we're gonna have to start from scratch again. Let's see what happens. Refresh. Let's see. Add a field. Joe@ajaxunion.com. Save. Let's see. It's still not there. It didn't work. Okay, so now Gemini's having a heart attack. So we're going to go ahead and open up a new one. And I want to say view this code and tell me why when I press save contact after I edit one. All right, let's see what it does. I'm also going to go to google.com/contacts. And I'm going to take a robust card. It has a lot of details in it. Yeah, let's see what this does. All right, let's just see what it does. Share, copy contents. 723. That sounds right. So how many lines of code do we have? We're going to refresh this. Ooh. Let's drop Julia's in here. Wow. Her birthday shows up. Her address. Let me see the raw diagnostics. Her address shows up. City, street, and zip doesn't. Does it show up the whole? Oh, yeah, everything shows up. Nice. Add a field. LinkedIn. I'm going to do a search for Julie on LinkedIn. Oh, my God, this is so good. I'm so happy right now. Save. All right. All right, let's see. Did the LinkedIn save? Oh my God, did not save. What's this? If I add a field. Oh, they added a remove field. Duh. Duh. Not obvious. You want to add a remove field? Go ahead and copy contents of code. Control A, Control V, Control S. Let's refresh. Let's edit. Let's add an email. All right, let's see. Didn't do it. Didn't save. Did not save. Did not save. Let's see if remove field works, though. Refresh. Oh, maybe because I have to do a new card. New card. Joe. No. Does not save. Let's see. 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 Let's see if this will work now. 734 lines of code. Let's refresh. Let's do a simple thing like add an email address. Save. Let's go back here. Oh, finally it works. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. No results. That's weird. Can't find me on LinkedIn. Huh. That's weird. So weird. Okay, at least it works now. We had to, you know how hard it was to get this thing to work? Add a LinkedIn. Oh my goodness, saved. All right, let's see if it'll work now. John. Ruback. Ari. What? I could have sworn I just added this. Let me add Ari again. It's not there. What's going on? It is not there. I added LinkedIn, but it's gone. It's not there. Oh, email works. Let me add another email. Maybe that's what it is. Email works, but LinkedIn doesn't. My goodness. LinkedIn was not being properly saved. I found the final piece of the puzzle. Save function was only looking for a specific thing. Email, phone, socials, but it wasn't. Okay. You see, you have to test. If you don't test, it doesn't work. But once you do test and it works, boy, does it work well. I'm also going to tell that I want to move the cards up and down. Should I do that? Or I want to download them all at once. Yeah. Saved contacts. Can you add a feature? Let me just see. Let me see if this works even. Copy contents. You got to do one thing at a time. If you try to do too many things, then none of it works. Refresh. Joe Applebaum, add a field, LinkedIn. Oh, it didn't work. Did it work? Didn't work. Did not work. Okay, we'll deal with it later. All right, everyone, I got to